Hey vlog, we're in London.
Yes we are. We're in Earl's Court.
Yeah, we made it after a whole kerfuffle of getting here. But today we're going to Harry Potter World.
Woo!
Woo! Tree outfit. She's ready.
Yes, and the skirt, which is also a dress.
Do I look like a Londoner, guys?
Yeah.
Local.
Local. You look like my mom.
Yay!
Like a mummy.
Oh. Okay, I thought you meant Angela. Okay.
We're dropping our kid off to school today.
Yeah.
First day jitters. How are you feeling? No, that's not who said
Not me. Not Morty. You.
We've got to keep drinking. Remember?
Okay, let's go.
Oh, wait, I gotta
journal up there. I get that. Wow. Hufflepuff man.
Oh my god, look at the mug, bro. That's really good quality. So check it out. Can we put a Slytherin one on now? Right now.
Ooh. Willow. Getting ready for potion. Yes.
I'm going to potion class. Wait, stop, wait. I'm looking auto lock.
So cute, guys. This is just like my drawing. Yay! Whoa.
Oh, these are all the different things that are inside the
But when you first arrived at the castle, welcome to Hogwarts. Give those doors a gentle push. Round of applause for my birthday helpers at Harry. Yes.
Put your head in. What do you see?
Oh my god.
Do you see Voldemort?
Lovely. Pop your arm out in front of you and your wand above your head. Can we see anyone? Any wizards? Lovely, fantastic. Well done. Above your head, and that's your first attacking move.
Lauren, what did you just do?
So, we picked up this booklet, right?
Wow.
And I'll show you the first page. It's pretty cool. Has like the dragon and like film effects, and then next page, you know, a green screen
really
stuff.
informative.
A lot of interesting information.
Yeah.
And then, you know, who is that?
Who's that?
I don't know.
is
I didn't
that?
consent to them taking a photo of me.
Are you a part of the cast?
Yeah, it's a deleted scene.
Right.
Yeah, I actually killed it.
Wow. I'm so proud of you. This guy right here. This
Right behind me, isn't he? Wow. Yes. One more, one more. Yes. Tasting butterbeer. Woo. That's really good. Yes. That's so good. Chug, 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 chug. What? A reference. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Oh, your game. Yeah. Yeah. How do you feel going up, stepping up to the plate?
Nervous, but I reckon I got it.
Yeah. Oh, you quiet it down.